Hi, friends. Happy Memorial Day, and I hope you had a really nice weekend and enjoyed your time in the sun. I dyed my hair blue because why not? Actually, my husband did it. He did a pretty good job. It's not bad. All right, I'm going to take just a couple seconds to walk you through this week and give you some insight into what you can expect for the next couple weeks before school is out. I did have to make a change to this week's plan, but it shouldn't be too bad. I'll show you why. Okay, so here is Schoology when you first land on the materials page. Of course, you have your assignments over here. You can get a little sneak peek. If you scroll down and you click on To Kill a Mockingbird, you will see this is last week. I'm going to leave that up there because I know some of you are still working on some of those tasks. For this week, you should have chapters 21 through 27 read by tomorrow, and you have comprehension questions to finish for that chunk of reading. Again, there's just 10 of them. And then you have two common lit assignments. I originally had one due on Thursday and one due on Friday, and I had to move the second one so they're both due on Thursday. I'm really sorry about that. This second one is a poem. It's really short, and you don't have quite as many responses as you did for the last couple common lit assignments. So it shouldn't be too difficult to get them both done in one day. But because the school year is ending a little bit earlier than expected, I had to shift things forward a little bit. That should be the only change. And then we're going to have a Zoom session on Friday at 1:30. This is going to be our last synthesis practice, your last opportunity to practice the thinking of looking at one text through the lens of another. So make sure you have the chapters read, make sure you have those two common lit articles read, and be prepared to discuss this question, which oof, I don't want to give you too many details in case you haven't read it yet. So be prepared to discuss the question that's in there. And if you click on it, you'll be able to see the Zoom link as well as the password. There's now a password, so make sure you're using the right Zoom link. Just click on the assignment for the details. And then next week, you will finish the book. It's almost done. In fact, I'll give you a little bit of a preview. You can't see this yet, but you will be able to pretty soon, probably by the end of the week. You're going to finish reading the book by Tuesday, June 2nd. The last few chapters will go very, very quickly. The end is so good. It's a great end of a book, especially for one that is really so difficult and challenging. And the story itself is heartbreaking all the way through. The end is fabulous. I also have a link here for you to watch the film version if you are interested. This might be especially important for those of you who maybe skipped around a little bit or didn't read quite as much of the book as maybe you should have. Watching the film version is going to be a nice opportunity for you to just bring it all together and get a good feel for the purpose of the book. A lot of the details are different, but nothing so major that you won't understand the story. Just make sure that you do know the differences between the two, because if you do your final assignment and you cite something from the film as though it's something from the book, that's not good. There will be a fine little discussion, a discussion board for the end of the book, but there's no comprehension questions. After we are done with that, we're going to move forward to your final essay, which will be an argument. And you'll have a few texts to read, and you'll write an argument that brings all of those texts together. And it's going to be about the book and the purpose of the book. I'm going to break that into chunks. I already have some plans for what that's going to look like, where you're gonna work on it in chunks and then put it all together over the course of a few days. So if you have any questions, of course, I am available during my office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 10 to 11 on Tuesdays and 2 to 3 on Thursdays. And of course, you can email me anytime as well. I hope you have a great week. Bye.